fresh and clean air, essential cleaning tips for allergy season. At Comfy Maids, we go beyond cleaning. We aspire to transform your home into an immaculate space where freshness and health intertwine. Let's start with the air you breathe. Have you ever wondered how the air quality in your home can impact your well-being? Regularly changing your HVAC system filters is not just a maintenance task, it's an investment in your family's health. Breathing pure air not only revitalizes your home, but also enhances your overall quality of life. Now, let's talk about deep cleaning. How would it feel to know that every fiber of your carpet and every corner of your home is infused with freshness and vitality? Our services not only remove dirt, they restore the vibrancy of your space, creating an environment that energizes and renews. Now, imagine opening the windows and feeling the fresh breeze. Did you know that this simple action not only refreshes your home, but also controls humidity, preventing the proliferation of dust mites? Are you ready to take a step towards a fresher and healthier home? Comfy Maids is here to guide you on this journey. Because we don't just clean, we create experiences that transform your home. Trust Comfy Maids for an impeccable and healthy home.